Uh, so today we are going to look into two topics called one is AGV. So AGV is nothing but the automated guided vehicle system, and another one is a crane system. So as we discussed about the automatic parking system, so last topic we already came across with what is a automated parking system and what is the advantages, disadvantages, how the automatic parking system is differ from the traditional parking system. All these things we studied in the last topics. Today we are going to look into a topic called the AGV system as well as the crane system. So what exactly the automated guided vehicle? So automated guided vehicle known as AGV technology has been introduced in automated parking system most recently through AGVs, has been used in automated warehouse for decades. So as we know that it's nothing but a automated vehicle that helps to move a particular product or a car, whatever it may be, from one point to another point with any without human intervention. So that is what is called automated guided vehicle. So only need to guide the vehicle. So that is the initial settings is just to set the vehicle from which it has to be start and which it had to be end. So all these things have to be made, or we are supposed to guide that particular line. That's sufficient to do the entire process. The vehicles are parked on a pallet in a parking space, which are collected from the parking entrance by the AGV, driven beneath the vehicle pallet, lifting it and then parking it in the parking space. So I will show the diagram how the AGVs is working. So number of AGVs in the system is flexible and can be based upon the around the client's requirements. Say for example, if the hospital is very huge, or the other areas such as if the malls, if say for example, if you are going for a mall which is having a very huge area and you are supposed to park your vehicle, it's a in such cases the AGV will come and you can drive the vehicle on the AGV and you can left it, or you can leave for shopping, or you can leave whatever it may be. The AGV vehicle take your vehicle and park it in a appropriate place. So as well as at the same time you will get a number, where is a parking space number and all. So that is the main advantages of the automated guided vehicle. So next one is a number of it's a very flexible one. We can add n number of AGVs. It's a very flexible, so that the speed of the parking would be very high. So generally, automated guided vehicle system operate on a solid finish concrete floors. It's required a smooth uh, floor just to move the vehicle from one point to the another point. This allows the vehicle pallets to be collected by an AGV from any direction with several AGVs operating on the floor. It also allows for multiple simultaneous parking and retrieval movement along multiple paths. So it allows multiple simultaneous parking and retrieval movements along multiple paths. It's nothing but the AGV, automated guided vehicle, will park the vehicle at the simultaneously it will take the vehicle, or retrieval of movement also can be done with the same path or along the multiple path. To move the vehicle pallet with or without an AGV, vehicle elevators are used within the system. To move the vehicle pallets with or without an AGV, the vehicle elevators are used within the system. Vehicle elevators are used within the system. So just have a look into this diagram. So this is what is called the lot of parking space, as we can see in this automated guided vehicle parking system. So this is the area where at which you can park the vehicle. So the AGV what will do is very simple. So the AGV will move and find where is the available parking and park it over a particular area. So this is how the system is working. So it's a very pretty good in operation, very fast in operation, time saving, and at the same time we can save the fuel cost. So a lot of advantages that is associated with the automated guided vehicle parking system. So as we can see that there are n number of AGVs which is available. So just imagine that the one vehicle that will, these are the blue yellow color mat that shows is nothing but the AGVs. So n number of AGVs can be operated at the same time with the multiple paths. So same all this thing with this which is helpful for the working of the AGVs. So these are about the AGVs.